A suitable base for the ManaBloc can be constructed from a section of 1/2 inch or thicker plywood that is a minimum 22.5 inches wide and slightly longer than the overall length of the ManaBloc. Securely attach a length of 2x4 or other suitable framing material with a thickness of 1.5 inches and about 3.5 inches wide on the left and right sides of the mounting base, running the full length of the ManaBloc. The 2x4s will be used to secure the distribution lines at the correct height as they exit the ManaBloc. Support clamps not to exceed 6 inches spacing from end ports. Attach the mounting base to the structure in a suitable location. Top of the ManaBloc is suggested to be between 4 feet and 6 feet from the floor, but may be installed at any height provided that the height maintains accessibility to all the ports on the ManaBloc. The mounting base must be securely attached to a structure solid enough to support, at minimum, the weight of the ManaBloc filled with water. The base should be square and level. Center the ManaBloc on the base both vertically and horizontally as shown here. Attach the ManaBloc to the mounting base with 4 1/2 inch or longer drywall or wood screws through the holes in the plastic brackets on the ManaBloc. Do not over-tighten. As the distribution lines are connected to the ManaBloc, ensure that the tubing exits the unit at a 90-degree angle to the center line of the ManaBloc, so as not to induce bending stress on the ManaBloc. When attaching the distribution line tubing to the 2x4 supports, be sure to use appropriately sized Viega tubing clamps. For example, part number 52000 for 3/8 inch tubing and part number 52020 for 1/2 inch tubing. Use one clamp per tube to ensure that the tubing is held securely. Position clamps no further than 6 inches from the end of the port. Do not pull tubing tight.